In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Claude AI in VS Code. First, you want to make sure that you have VS Code installed. Open VS Code and your screen should look similar to mine. On the sidebar, navigate and click on the squares here. In the search bar, type in Klein and click on it. Make sure that the Klein extension has over 1 million uploads to ensure its validity. Click on Install to install the app. Once you have finished installing the app, click on the Klein icon on the left side. Click on Use Your Own API key. Change the API provider to Anthropic. Now, in your web browser, you want to navigate to console.anthropic.com/dashboard. Make sure to sign in. At the bottom, click on Settings and click on API keys. See that there is an option for Create an API key. Make sure to click on Create Key. Select your workspace. In my case, it is default. Name your secret key anything you want. In my case, I am putting very easy. Click Add and copy the API key. Click Close, navigate back to VS Code and paste in your API key under Anthropic API key. Click Let's Go, and now you are set up. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped you, like and subscribe.